multiple videos now that I'm getting my life together, getting a schedule together. So I'm trying to get back to doing a lot of crafts, and very, very soon, I promise, this Etsy shop will be open. I'm like, every day I'm making more and more progress. So I swear I'm not dragging my feet. I'm working really hard so I can get everything going. But today I am going to make a ribbon trim tutu. Now I made this applique shirt, I want to say like months ago at this point. It says Brazilian Pride and it's got the flag on it. So I wanted a matching tutu to go along with it. Now that's one thing that I really plan on focusing on in my shop is I want to make like heritage outfits. So with the flag and the matching tutu, I thought that would be really, really cute. So Brazil will be my first one. No, I'm not Brazilian. I'm actually Puerto Rican. But I cannot find an applique design of a Puerto Rican flag anywhere. So if anyone knows of it somewhere, I've searched Etsy, I've searched just Google in general. If anyone can make one for me, please let me know. Because I don't know how to design my own applique files. I don't have the software for it. But that's something I've been looking for, because if you haven't seen before, I previously made this ribbon trim tutu for my daughter before she was even born, so it's infant size. But I wanted a special outfit for her with a little onesie with the Puerto Rican flag on it, the same way that this is done, and I wanted to say like Puerto Rican Pride. But I cannot find an applique file somewhere. So what I had to settle on is I purchased and downloaded an SVG file from Etsy. So SVGs I can find, so I'll just do like a heat transfer vinyl. But I really want to do an applique, not just embroidered, but an applique. So there is one Etsy shop where this guy has, I think it's a guy anyway, has a lot of applique flags, and they're really good. They're really good files. So I purchased a few. So that's how I got Brazil. I think next I'll do Jamaica. And I messaged him and asked if he would do Puerto Rico and even Mexico. So I have a lot of Mexican friends and stuff, and I know people would be interested in something like that, hopefully. And I never got a response. It's been like 3 months. And I even messaged again from my other Etsy accounts, and nothing. So I have my, and this is the same thing with YouTube too. YouTube, Etsy, even Facebook. Like I have my personal accounts with my like government name, which is Natasha Diaz. And then I have my Etsy YouTube world, which is DIY Diaz. So, but they're both me. So if you ever come across one or the other, so Natasha Diaz is me, and then DIY Diaz. So my actual name is Natasha, but everyone calls me Nati, so that's what I go by. So if you hear Nati, Natasha, it's all me. Anyways, please answer me back, guy from Etsy. Please answer me back. I really want that Puerto Rican applique file. I'll pay for it. I will pay for it. I just need you to make it. Anyways, so because I can't find the Puerto Rico file, she's gotta wait. So I figured I'd go on with Brazil. I always really love the colors of the Brazilian flag anyway. And I've never been to Brazil, but it seems like an awesome place. I really wanted to go. And technically speaking, I was supposed to go this year in October or November. I can't remember which one. I believe October. Because I am also a student, an MBA student, going for my Master of Business. I haven't been in school recently because I had the baby. But this program, it's like an expedited 1-year program with 2 study abroad programs in the program. So I did the first program back in November of 2019. So a few months ago, we went to Israel. And that was quite an experience. It was extremely exhausting. My feet were swollen every day because I was pregnant. I was, I think, 5 months pregnant at the time. I was so swollen. I mean, they really had us running. Like, we were doing, like, school stuff, meeting with companies, things like that, but then also sightseeing, and it was just, like, on the go, on the go. But it was really an incredible experience. I really need to, like, unpack all of that from my mind, because it was just, like, so, like, jam-packed. It was very intensive. But it was really awesome getting that opportunity to study abroad in Israel. And, so my second program of study abroad was supposed to be to Argentina and Brazil this year in either October or November. But now with coronavirus, that's like on hold indefinitely. And even if they just said, okay, we're, you know, it's safe now, we're gonna go. I don't know. It's now almost May, and I don't know if that just seems a little too soon. Even then, you know, if the world just opens back up, like, it's kind of scary, especially since I have a newborn. And I'm scared to leave my baby for that long to go on a study abroad. It's only like 2 weeks, but still. So I don't know. We'll see. It's all up in the air. So I'm doing this Brazilian tutu with the applique shirt. I may go to Brazil this year. Most likely not. Maybe next year. Who knows? So we'll see. Anyways, that's all I really have to say today. I'm just going to go ahead and make this tutu, speed up the video, and call it a day. Somebody was asking some questions about when I was doing applique on one shirt one day. So I already have another video filmed, so I'm gonna go ahead and edit that, put that together. But I think one of my next upcoming videos, like, I'll go ahead and actually like explain in depth like what I'm doing step by step instead of just speeding up the video. So we'll see. That's coming soon. If anyone else has any like requests or anything they'd like to see, please let me know. I have some other videos planned. I want to do like a glitter tumbler and some other stuff. But and plus like my officially opening the shop video, I'm definitely doing that soon. But if anyone has any other specific requests and it's stuff that I have and stuff that I've done before, then we can definitely do that. So just let me know, leave me a comment, like the video, subscribe, ring my bell, and get notified whenever I do more videos. I'm at, last time I checked this morning, I think I was like at 195 subscribers, which is like amazing. So I'm almost at 200. Now my husband had told me when I got to 100 before, I can get a bottle of wine. So I did get my bottle of wine. It took me like over a month to drink it finally, but I did drink it, and that was fun. But so I don't know, he didn't promise me anything for 200 subscribers. I don't know, let's see. I should ask her something. Anyway, hope you enjoy, and see you guys later.
We used to be so good together.